Hello guys, so today we will be learning how to make a simple story in Scratch. So let's begin. So first delete this cat sprite and choose two sprites. You can choose any sprite you want. I'll choose the D and Devil. After you choose the characters, choose a backdrop of your wish. I will choose the hall. After you choose the backdrop, position your characters properly. Done. So let's get into the D code first. So we want to start when flag clicks. So when flag is clicked, we want to go to X minus 164 and Y minus 75. Looks switch costume to DE. The DE costume is costume of thinking. Thinking after you switch the costume, just say something or think. I will think first. I'll think I don't know where the library is. Then you should change the seconds to 3 or 4. I'll change it to 4. After you think, say something. I will say, if we don't know something, we ask for help. And I'll change the seconds for this too. I'll change the seconds to 4. Now I'll say one more sentence called I must remember to say thank you and please. And I'll change the seconds to 4. And I'm gonna glide 1 second to D. So first I'll switch the costume to D A and glide 1 second to D. So to glide 1 second, move D near Devil and go to motion and you will see that there is glide 1 second to X 97 Y minus 82. Drag that block in here and now broadcast a message called please. You can broadcast any message you want. I broadcast please. And let's get into the Devon code. So when flag is clicked, we want to go to X 183 and Y minus 60. And we're gonna switch costume to Devin C, which is the happy and silent costume. And after doing this code, we should receive please. And when I receive please, we're gonna switch costume to Devin A, which is the high costume. And I'll say hey, what can I do for you? Do for you. for 3 seconds. And after you say, just broadcast one more message called what? And after you broadcast, go to decode again and receive what. When I receive what, go to looks and say, can you please tell me where is the library? Library, I said this for 4 seconds. And I'll broadcast one more message called can you. After you broadcast can you message, go to Devin code again and receive can you. After you receive can you, say the route. So I will say down the stairs and the second room for 3 seconds. After you say broadcast message yes. Yes. And go to decode again, and when I receive yes, say thank you. Say thank you for 2 seconds. And now let's see if this code worked. He's thinking where is the library, and now he's thinking what we ask for help. And then he'll write 1 second to there. So check the mistakes. I have made a mistake. I have made the mistake in the hay. So check the mistakes. So it's 11. And let's take this. He's asking for help again. And he'll write 1 second to D. So Devin. And he'll ask where is the library. He'll tell the route. And Devin D will say thank you. So this is how to make a simple story. You can use different backdrops, sprites and different sentences and make your own story. You can choose many sprites as you want and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And for now, bye.